my name is Alexa. I'm the owner here at Business Marketing Times 10. I am a social media marketing specialist and I help business owners like yourself increase your revenue, your brand awareness, and your sales through leveraging social media. So you're probably wondering why you're getting this video. I came across your website and your Facebook and I just wanted to give you some advice on to how to increase the presence of your social media to turn prospects into paying clients, as well as getting more page likes and definitely increased brand awareness. So I wanted to start with your Facebook. You have 750 people who like your page, which is super good. I see that you post pretty often, which is also good. You have a mix between like personal and business, which is definitely good. It keeps people more engaged. One thing I would recommend though is maybe posting more videos. Whether that be personal or more on the business side. If it is on the business side, then you can even do Facebook Lives. Videos and Facebook Lives usually get the most engagement, so that's why I recommend those. But maybe doing a video while you're putting together a bouquet, or explaining to people how you choose certain flowers, or what flowers are best for certain occasions. Those types of things are definitely things that people might be interested in, or maybe even just like take a video or do a live like while you're at work and showing them behind the scenes what it looks like to be a florist. So those types of things I would recommend. Another one, I don't know if you've ever ran any Facebook ads, but here is where you would go to create an ad. You just go to this drop down menu, click create ads, and this is where you actually can do an ad for brand awareness. You can do one for traffic, you can do one for conversions, you can do one for post engagement, for page likes, a lot of different things. I know that Valentine's Day is coming up, so that's a super big event, and I'm sure you're already busy enough as it is, but you could definitely run a Facebook ad that's targeted towards people in relationships, people who are married, people who are engaged, definitely to hopefully increase those sales and just let people know, hey, we're here, send your loved one those Valentine's Day gifts and those types of things. And then the last thing I would recommend for Facebook is maybe doing a giveaway. So let's say you give away like a free $150 value bouquet, or a free bouquet for a year. So maybe like one bouquet for every month. And then you would run an ad on Facebook for that to capture emails, which is good to build your email list, as well as, getting more page likes and more sales and those types of things. So then you would announce the winner through your email, and then everyone that didn't win, maybe offer them like a $5 off coupon so that they still have an incentive to come make a purchase from you. So that's another thing I would recommend. Moving on to your website. One thing I would recommend for your website is kind of going back to the emails, so having like a pop-up. I did see that you did have a pop-up earlier, but one I would recommend is something to capture emails from. So like I said, maybe like a $5 off coupon or a 10% off coupon, like a $75 purchase or something like that, just to give an incentive for people to give you their email. And what you do that for is, obviously building your email list, like I said, but also email marketing is really good to increase your sales, but also remarketing to people. So, maybe in the past you had already sent them something to come to your business or call you or make a purchase or something like that, but it didn't really go through. So maybe retargeting those people to try a different tactic to get them to come back and purchase something from you. So that's one thing I would recommend. Another thing I would recommend is to, I see you have Pinterest. That's nice. I didn't see that. One thing I'd recommend is to create a branding video. So just having a video talking about you as an owner, why did you decide to start your own business? What made you go into the floral business? What do you like about being a florist? What makes you want to help other people when, picking out flowers and sending flowers and helping people with weddings and those types of things. It makes you seem more relatable, more trustworthy, that you care about the customer and the quality that you're providing, so that when somebody chooses to Google, a florist in the area of Downers Grove, if you have yourself on the website talking about, your business and those types of things, someone's more likely to choose you over the competitor who doesn't have a video explaining who they are and what their business is about. So just another thing I'd recommend for the website. And then for your Instagram. So with your Instagram, kind of the same thing as Facebook. I don't know if you have ever heard of the app called Hootsuite, Hoot Suite, but it's a nice app that you can schedule posts ahead of time. So let's say it's like Sunday night, you have like 30 minutes before you go to bed. You can just log onto the app and actually, write up a few posts for the week and then schedule them ahead of time. So you could schedule a post for Tuesday at 1 p.m. and a post for Thursday at 5 p.m. So those automatically go out to your Facebook and your Instagram without you having to sit there during the day, create a post, this and that. That's one thing I would recommend. Another thing, just keeping up with the posting and the videos. And I would use more hashtags. So hashtags that are more within the business, that has to do with like, being a florist and flowers and, letting people know that you're in the Downers Grove area, those types of things. So yeah, those are just like I said, some small pieces of advice that I would recommend to increase the brand awareness and the sales and those types of things. These are all services that I do offer as a digital marketer. So if you have any questions or anything didn't make any sense, feel free to reach out to me, but I would love to hop on a call with you, see how I can help your business or even sit down with you. I just want to thank you for watching this video and I hope you have a great day.